Hey guys, it's Casey. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Today we're going to be working on decorating the monthly in the May monthly, in my catch-all planner. So I went ahead and turned there, and that's a little sneak peek at an upcoming video that I actually filmed first. So anyways, I'm going to be using some flowers from the floral sticker book, happy plans, and of course colorful boxes. So I have my stickers already chosen, and I'm going to make a teal and yellow spread for this. That's what this spread is going to be. So let's start with this pretty teal box, long box, and put it over here. Now this came out of colorful boxes because I'd already used, I think, my happy plans one. So I didn't have one, or maybe it didn't match. I can't remember. It probably didn't match. And so let's just put some flowers down here at the bottom. And of course these are out of the floral sticker book. I'm trying to find like different color combinations to go with to make things more interesting. So I thought that teal and yellow would be pretty together. And so hopefully this will be a fairly quick video as well, as my last couple have been. I think they've been fairly quick because I do have my stickers chosen, and this is just a monthly spread, so hopefully it won't take too long. I feel like I kind of need to move this down. So I feel like it looks funny so far away from the flowers, so we're going to move it down a little bit. And I hate that I left them on the wax paper. All my stickers have been on the wax paper for a couple days, and so they don't really stick as well if you leave them on wax paper too long. So anyways, let's see. Now all I'm going to do is fill in with, I'm just like going to put some random boxes here and there, just mixing in some yellows and some teals. So we're going to put yellow here. Actually, let's put yellow on the 3rd because that is my first day back at work. So we're going to put yellow on the 3rd so we can notate that. And that's crooked. Got stuff all over my fingers. At least it looks, oh gosh, that's even worse now, isn't it? The other way. Struggling. I'm thinking about, y'all aren't going to like this, but I'm thinking about moving over to Instagram and not doing videos on YouTube, because it's just, especially if I'm going to be working, it's going to be a lot. And I'm not sure that I'll be able to handle all of it. We'll see. We will see how it goes. All right, I'm just going to cut that right up the center there. And this probably doesn't even look like a flower, but it is what it is. It really is a flower, I promise. All right, and so I got to give my dogs front line on the 24th, and so I wrote it in instead of putting it on a sticky note. But we're just going to put this here. And then I don't really want to put another yellow box behind that, or I mean a yellow flower beside it, because to me that would look just silly. So I think I'm going to put a different type floral right there. Move that over just a tad because I got to cover up the side of that box. Didn't cover it up at the top. We're going to get there. Okay, there. May 25th is my birthday. I will be 41. So, just so you know, got to put my plug in there for my birthday. All right, I'm going to take some of this yellow washi that came out of Happy Plans, and I'm going to put it up here at the top of May. And there's like no dates up here, but I'm going to put it up here just to bring in some more yellow to this side. And I don't think I'm going to white out those black lines. I think I'm just going to leave it alone. Let it be. I'm going to take my X-Acto and my card, because I don't do straight lines, and go ahead and cut that there. And then we'll save that for somewhere else. Alright, so now I've got yellow, yellow. So let's take one of these teal colored florals and try to put it somewhere. Maybe under this side. Or should I just go over that? I'll just go like that. That's cute. Alright, let's move to the other side now. And just kind of put down some random boxes on this side and see how it turns out. I think I'm going to put this big teal one up here. And then fill in with some smaller yellows. Let's put a yellow here. I think I'm going to come down. And maybe a small teal somewhere. I feel like I need a yellow over here. Where do I want to go with this? Why don't I move this one over? And the reason I did that is because I kind of want I guess I need a yellow. I want a yellow here. Because I've got teal here, I want a yellow here. So let's go ahead and put that down. So that I don't forget it in a minute. And then we can take this teal and maybe put it over here. And we'll put a yellow flower with it to kind of offset the teal and the teal. Alright, now I have one more teal colored box. And I'm just randomly putting these boxes, y'all. These aren't like certain days that I have anything going on. Because I write on my pages as well as like having boxes for certain days. So it doesn't matter to me if there's a box or not. I'll write on it anyway. So we're going to put that flower there. And I think I'm going to take this one. And actually, yep, I'm going to have to cut it because I cut the other one. No, that won't look right because this box is too small for a cut flower. So let's try to put this under the edge here. Yeah, that's okay. Alright, let's take this flower, put up here maybe, or should we put it up here? Let's put it up here on that teal box. That's cute. And then let's take one of these and put over here. So I like just covering up the edge of the boxes instead of cutting. I'm kind of liking that better. So, and it's a lot less time consuming. So that's always a plus. Now let's take some more yellow washi and line this bottom down here. Again, not worrying about the black lines, not going to white them out. Just going to go with it. Whoops, it's too short. So I'll take my leftovers from the other side and make it work. And you won't even be able to tell. Okay. So let's put that there. Now, I need a little floral or something to go here. So, I don't know what's left in this sticker book, if anything. It would be nice if I had some yellow. But I don't think I do. Hey, I could put some of these yellows in there somewhere. I've got 2 of them. And as long as I have one on each page, that's all that matters, right? And actually, I could pull up this thing that I cut and replace it with this. Much better. And then let's put this one over here. Awesome. Okay. Alright, let's put, because I feel like I need something up here. So why don't we put those right there. I'm not going to worry about whitening that out. I think it's okay. That's cute. That is really cute. I pulled out some yellow bullet points So why don't we just randomly put some yellow bullet points around the spread? Just to get yellow in there. I should probably pick that up and put it up higher, huh? Okay, I got a couple more that I've already pulled, so we're just going to use them. There, one more that we can put here. Alright, that is cute, and I have 2 more flowers that I had already chosen, so why not use those? We'll put this one here, and this one, where can we put it? I don't want to put it there. I don't want to put that there either. I should have put it down here. I think we'll just stick it up there. But we're going to slide it over. Actually, I think I'm going to stick it up here, because I've got these same flowers already on the other side. I've got them right there. So we'll just put them here. And that's just so I don't have to put them back in the box. I mean, in the sticker book. So I use them so I don't have to put them back. Okay. So I think that's it for my Monday layout, or monthly. Did I say Monday? I need to go to bed. My monthly layouts in my catch-all planner. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. And if you did, you'll give it a big thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and head over to Instagram to follow me over there. So this is it. I will see you guys on my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.